Here's how you can find iron ore in Crimson Desert. If you want to find iron ore early in the game, the best place to do that would be around the cliff sides of Anvil Hill, preferably on the southwest side of it facing the nearby town. Once there, approach the rock face, and look for bulging dark rocks. You can easily spot them since the ore veins stand out from the rest of the rock face. Next, we're gonna go to our inventory and equip our pickaxe. Go back to the game and hold F2 to open our quick slot, then select the pickaxe. Next, stand close to the ore, hold Ctrl to aim, then left click to start mining. Make sure the highlighted cursor is aiming at the ore vein. Now these will eventually break after a single superhuman stroke by your character, and you'll find these rocks dropping on the ground. It's the iron ore we're looking for. Pick them up and there you have it. Follow our channel for more Crimson Desert tutorials. And that's all for this video, thanks for watching.